how to turn off dark mode on Google Chat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off dark mode on Google Chat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Chat app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on theme option. Now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you can just tap on light option, and here, once you do that, the Google Chat will turn off the dark mode. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.